Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. Yes, children, firstly, I would like to welcome you all for today's EVS session. Children, before starting our class, I have one request for you all. Children, actually, I'm not feeling well, so you can find some changes with my voice, so please bear with it. Children, if you found any difficulties to listen to my voice, please let me know so that I can make the same video again and I will share to you. Okay, children? Okay. Children, let us start our today's class. The new topic is safety rules. Children, I repeat, lesson number 8, safety rules. So children, please all of you open your EVS textbook of page number 191. Lesson number 8, safety rules. Yes, children, before getting to our lesson, can you tell me what do you mean by safety? Yes, safety is nothing but learning to protect oneself from any harm. Yes, children, you know we should protect ourselves from any harm because carelessness can cause accidents, isn't it? Yes, children. So, staying away from danger is called as safety. It is also known as state of being safe. Then, children, what do you mean by safety rules? Yes, there are many rules have been made for our safety. Yes, children, there are the safety rules we should always follow to take care of ourselves and others too. When we always follow safety rules at home, at school, at playground, actually children, it should be followed everywhere. Then, if everyone follows safety rules, there will be very few accidents and we all will be safe here. Yes, children. Then you can find some safety rules for you to follow. The first one is safety on road. Yes, children, you know a road is the path for vehicles such as cars, bus, auto rickshaws, taxi, etc. Isn't it? So, children, especially road in the city or town can be found always busy because many people living in city. So, there is a lot of traffic. Isn't it, children? Yes. In such cases, if you go and walk on the road, what will happen? Yes, accident may happen. So you always have to walk on the footpath. Yes, children, footpath is a path for people to walk. So you have to make use of it. Next, we should never play on the road. Children, here you can observe this picture where two boys are playing on the road. If suddenly one vehicle has come, what will happen? Yes, you will stuck into that vehicle. Isn't it? Yes, so avoid such kind of accidents. You have to take care of yourself. That is, you should not play on the road. Yes. The next rule is we should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. And we should cross the road only when the pedestrian light is green. Yes, children, we always used to cross the road on the zebra crossing. Why? Because it is an area of road made for pedestrian to cross the road. Yes, children, so please always make use of zebra crossing while crossing the road, and also you have to take care of that. You have to find a green light, that is pedestrian light should be shown green color. Then only you have to cross the zebra crossing. If it's showing red light, then you may have to wait for a while until all the vehicles pass away. Okay, children. Then The next rule is we should walk on right side of the road so that we can see the coming traffic. As children, always we have to walk on the right side of the road so that we can see the coming traffic and we can save ourselves from the accident. Then, at the bus stop, we should wait in a queue. As children, in a bus stop, you should not push anybody while getting into the bus. And also, you should not try to get into a moving bus. Next rule is we should not lean out of the window of a moving bus. As children, please never lean out of the window of a moving bus, and also please do not put your hands out of the bus, or please do not walk in a moving bus. Okay children? Okay, fine. Then never stand on the footboard. Never stand on the footboard while traveling on a bus. As children, these are the rules that you must follow while walking. Now children, we shall see what are the safety rules to be followed at our home to avoid some dangers. As firstly, we should not play with sharp things. As children, knives, scissors and blades are used in every home, but we can get hurt from them. If we are not carefully use that, we may face some injury. So children, please don't use such sharp things. Next rule is we should not touch electric switches or wires with wet hands. As children, as we know, electricity are very useful to us, but they can be dangerous too. So we have to be very careful while using them. As children, we should not touch electric switches or wires with hands, that especially with wet hands. Next children, we should not run about carelessly on the stairs. As children, if you do not take care on the stairs, you may have slipped from the steps and it leads to some injury. That are the safety rules to be followed while swimming. As children, firstly, we should not go alone for a swim. As children, please always take guidance from your elder ones so that it will be safe for you. So children, please never go. Now children, will see what are the safety rules to be followed while playing. As children, you should always play in a park or in a playground. As children, you know playground is for play. So children, please always make use of it. Please don't play on the roads or anywhere else. Please play in a playground or in a park. Then we should never play rough games. As children, there are many rough games you can find. Please don't play them. Why? Because you may cause injury. So children, please avoid to play such kind of rough games. So please make yourself escape from danger. Now children, if you want to be safe, then you have to follow all these safety rules strictly. As children, now let's learn which are the road signs and what they are stands for. Now children, let us learn which are the road signs and what are the Now children, let us learn which are the road signs and what they are stands for. Firstly, school ahead. As children, this sign gives cautions that there is a school nearby, so slow down your vehicles. Next, no horn. As children, this sign directs drivers to respect the silent zone and not to use horn. Next, pedestrian crossing. Yes, children, it is a place where pedestrians are permitted to cross a street. So this sign indicates that there is a pedestrian crossing. Next, no parking. Yes, children, this sign used to convey where parking of vehicles are prohibited, which means where you see no parking board, where you are not supposed to park your vehicles. Next, no entry. Yes, children, this sign indicates entry for that special area is prohibited. Then, lastly, railway crossing ahead. Yes, children, this sign indicates that there is a railway crossing and to take precautions. Yes, children, these signs are made to control the traffic and avoid accidents. So we should know that. So children, we should know what they stand for and follow them. Children, now can you tell me what are the things we learnt in today's class? Yes, points to remember. We learned that what do you mean by safety? What are the safety rules? That is, what are the safety rules to be followed on road, at home, while swimming, while playing. Also, we had seen the traffic signs, that is road signs and what they are stands for. Listen it, children. Yes, I hope you all understood today's class. Children, now we shall move to the exercise part. Now children, let us look at our first exercise, that is main A, fill in the blanks, choose the right word from the box. Yes, children, here you can see there is a help box and here you have given 5 answers. There are stairs, footpath, queue, zebra and play. So children, here you have given 5 questions and you have to choose the correct answers for the respected question. Children, now we shall see the first question is, we must always walk on the dash. Yes, children, can you tell me the answer? Yes, we must always walk on the footpath. Listened it? Yes. Then children should never dash on the road. Children, tell me. Yes. Children should never play on the road. Yes. Next one is, the road must be crossed at the dash crossing. Yes. We have to follow zebra crossing. Yes. Then fourth one, people should stand in a dash at the bus stand. Yes, people should stand in a queue at the bus stand. Then fifth question, we must not run up or down the stairs. Yes, children, now let us move to the next main, that is answer the following questions. The first question, why should we follow the safety rules? Can you tell me the answer? Yes, children, the answer is, we should always follow the safety rules to take care of ourselves and others too. Children, I repeat, why should we follow the safety rules? Yes, we should always follow the safety rules to take care of ourselves and others too. Yes, children, the next question is, where should children play? Yes, children, answer for this question is, children should play in a park or in a playground. Yes, children, I repeat, where should children play? Children should play in a park or in a playground. Next question. What are road signs? Answer is, these are the signs made to control traffic and avoid accidents. Yes, children, what are the road signs? These are the signs made to control traffic and avoid accidents. The next question. What should never be touched with wet hands? Yes, children, can you tell me the answer? Yes, you are not supposed to touch switches with your wet hands, right? So, answer will be, we should never touch electric switches with wet hands. Children, I repeat, what should never be touched with wet hands? Yes, we should never touch electric switches with wet hands. Yes, children. Children, these two exercises must be written in your notes. Please, children. Children, the next exercise you have given is color the picture which shows that safety habits are being followed. Yes, children, this exercise will be your homework, where what you have to do is you have to look at the picture given, number 1, number 2, and please observe the two pictures. And yes, children, where you have to find the good habits among those two pictures and color to it. Okay. Then children, here you have given, when you cross the road you should always. Children, here there are 5 steps that is to be followed when you cross your road. Yes, what are they? Firstly, stop. Children, before you get into the road or before you start to walk on a road, you have to stop for a while. That is on the footpath or at the curb. Then, by standing at the footpath, you have to look on the both ways. That is, first right, then left, then right again. Yes, children. By standing on footpath, you just have a look on your both the sides, whether the vehicles are coming or not. Yes, if you did not find any vehicles, then listen to further traffic. Yes, that is, you just listen to whether you are finding any vehicle sound. Yes, if you did not find any sounds, then just think it is safe to cross. Then you just, children, that is, firstly you have to make yourself clear that whether can I go now or it is safe to cross now. Yes. After you have done thinking, then walk. Yes, children, these 5 steps are helps you to cross the road safely. And children, please do not run. Children, again I am saying, if you found any difficulties with my voice, please let me know so that I can make another video again and I will send to you. Okay, children, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.